Boiling water, I am going to add Arbi. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna let it cool down first. I boiled Colocasia and cold Taro root, Arbi, fenugreek, paprika, salt, turmeric, garam masala, chaat masala. So I'm using avocado oil. Spices, fresh lime, let it sit aside for 15-20 minutes. Grated coconut 1 tablespoon, fennel seed 1 tablespoon, sesame seed and 1 star anise. Turn off heat. Cumin, chaat masala, ऐसा फटड़ा हिंग, coriander powder, red chili, curry masala, salt, yogurt, tomato paste and peanut paste. If you don't have, you can take peanut and dry roast it. Here I am adding all this in a bowl and mixing in the yogurt. Perfect. Yogurt slurry is ready now. I'm adding avocado oil, Arbi. I'm gonna let it shallow fry for 6-7 minutes until it gets brown and crisp. Sour red chili, mustard seed, 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon cumin seed, onion, tomato, raw turmeric, habanero chili, garlic, ginger, lemon, avocado oil, pinch garam seed, mustard seed and cumin seed. Seed starts crackling. Garlic, and raw turmeric. Sour red chili, green chili, ginger, some. I'm going to add onion. Cooking after 4 minutes on medium heat. Tomato. After 3 minutes, masala is now perfectly done. Yogurt slurry. Cooking after 4-5 minutes on slow heat. The masala is perfectly done. Water. Bring it well, then we're gonna come back. I'm adding here Arbi-Colocasia, chili and ginger, some mint leaves and some fresh lime juice more. Simmering after 3 minutes, it's ready to serve. Superb.